You all, spring has arrived, and guess what else did? My Walmart beauty box for spring. Y'all know what to do. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome to all our new subscribers, y'all. We just keep growing and growing, and I am so proud, so proud. Welcome to everybody that's new for us. For the new ones, you don't know anything about Walmart Beauty Box. Yes, Walmart has a beauty box. This one is for spring. You get one for each season, so winter, spring, fall, and summer. It used to be $5 for every box, and now it's $6.97. It always has the information card, things that you get in it. You do not get everything that's in the information card, but the products that you will receive are in here, and then it shows the different variations that everybody else could have gotten. Nicely wrapped. Let's see what we got. And you guys, one of the things I love about this Walmart beauty box is I have never gotten something in our box that I could not just run right up to my local Walmarts and they actually have it. So there's nothing in here that you cannot just go right up to Walmart's and grab. Okay, first thing we have here is an exfoliating dual texture scrubber. So when you're exfoliating your face or just wanting to do a deep wash, you would use this. I'm not going to open it because you guys, I've got like 3 of these. This one is big and thick though, very soft. Wow. I'll look it up here in a minute and tell you guys how much it is down at Walmart's. Next thing we have the impression nails. The only thing I have found wrong with the impression nails is, y'all, I have little tiny nails. And a lot of these are too small for me. So if you like your kiddos to wear fingernails, this would be the brand to get. They do have some beautiful styles. I mean, look at that chromey bottom one in the light pink. Very, very pretty. But I don't know if they come in like small, medium, large. I've only been able to find the one style, the one size. So I don't know, you guys. I wish they were a little bit bigger so they'd fit my fingernails. I got tiny nails and these don't. Very few of them actually fit my fingernails, you guys. Okay. Next thing we have here. Ooh, chapstick hydration. 3-in-1 lip care. This one actually looks like, ooh, coconut hydration. That's what it says there. Nice. Chapstick is something we do need all year around, you guys. You always want to keep your lips moisturized. Wow, there's lots of stuff in this one. Foaming Facial Cleanser by Sukin. Not going to open it up because I have gotten a lot. Oh, this one's paraben free though. I do have a lot of facial cleansers out right now. So, got this. Actually looks like it's a full size too. Not many deluxe sizes in here. Okay, now let's go into the samples. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. Says it's 72-hour hydration. It's got cactus water in it. All right. That's interesting. That would be good for one use. There's more. Oh, we got another one of these. The Hydration Multiplier. I think I've got 4 of these now downstairs. I still haven't used it. And this one says the flavor is golden cherry, so I might actually use it. I do like cherry flavored water. So this is supposed to make your body feel extremely hydrated after you drink it. These would be great for when you're going out hiking, out in the sun a lot. These would be great to throw in your waters. We got one more thing in here, you guys. So these little samples here, I let my husband use because, y'all, I got some hair. And these are never enough for my hair, especially the conditioner part. Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves Shampoo and Conditioner. Samples of that. And that is all. Now let's put on our glasses and we'll tell you how much everything is worth. Because again, you guys, this box is only $6.97. That is it. Okay, there goes stuff falling. Wouldn't be a video of sunny day. So now that I've quit dropping stuff, I got my glasses on so I can see. The Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. This is actually an extra item that Walmart put in my box. I could have gotten the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, or I could have gotten the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift, Garnier Fruit Take Sleek and Shine, which I have gotten that, and I love it very much. Find Your Happy Place Hand Sanitizer, or the Lottie London Arch Rival Brow Artist Eyebrow Pencil. Okay, so the Chapstick Total Hydration 3-in-1. This is valued at $3.94. The Impression of Fingernails. This is $6.97 themselves. So this here paid for my box. That quick. And I dropped them. Yes, I did. The Sukin Signature Foaming Facial Cleanser, paraben-free. This must be another additional extra item. Instead of giving me the other stuff, they threw this in. There's no information in here about it, you guys. The CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. The full size of this is valued at $14.98, and you get 2 fluid ounces in it. And then the Hydration Multiplier in Golden Cherry. For a 6-count of it, you can get it for $8.98. And then the Not Your Mother Smooth Mousse Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size of this is $7.74, and there's 9.7 ounces in each bottle, so a piece, $7.74. All right, you guys, that is all for the Walmart Beauty Spring Box. Get it for $6.97. Get it 4 times a year, summer, spring, winter, and fall. And they always have wonderful variation. And again, I love that I can just run right down to my Walmarts and grab anything that is in this box. Love it, love it. Can't go wrong with it. $6.97. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.